Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among the rolling hills, lived a kind-hearted little girl named Mia. Mia loved to eat oatmeal for breakfast, and she always thought it was the best food in the world. One morning, as Mia was stirring her oatmeal, she noticed something magical happening. The oatmeal began to swirl and dance around her pot, creating a mesmerizing show. "Wow, this is amazing!" exclaimed Mia. She watched in awe as the oatmeal transformed into tiny, shimmering stars that floated up and filled the kitchen with a warm, golden light. Suddenly, a friendly voice echoed through the room. "I am the Spirit of Oats, and I have come to thank you, Mia. Your love for oatmeal has brought me here." Mia was surprised by the voice but felt happy that the Spirit of Oats appreciated her love for oatmeal. "What can I do for you, Spirit of Oats?" she asked. "I have a gift for you," said the Spirit. "Every morning, when you eat your oatmeal, it will now grant you a special power. You will have the power to help those in need, just as you helped me by loving oatmeal so much." Mia was thrilled at the thought of helping others with her magical oatmeal. From that day on, every morning, she would eat her oatmeal and think of someone who needed help. And sure enough, throughout the day, Mia would find ways to make a difference in her village, using her magical oatmeal to help those in need. One day, a little boy named Max fell and scraped his knee, and Mia offered him a bowl of her magical oatmeal. As he ate, he felt a warm, healing energy fill his body, and his scrape healed instantly. Another day, an old woman named Mrs. Johnson was feeling very sad, and Mia shared her magical oatmeal with her. As Mrs. Johnson ate, she felt a wave of happiness wash over her, and she smiled more brightly than ever before. Mia continued to use her magical oatmeal to help those in need, and the villagers grew to love and respect her even more. They knew that whenever they were in trouble, all they had to do was ask Mia for some of her magical oatmeal, and they would be helped. Years passed, and Mia grew older. But she never forgot the special bond she had with the Spirit of Oats, and she continued to eat her magical oatmeal every morning. She knew that as long as she loved oatmeal, she could always help those in need and make the world a better place. And so, Mia and her magical oatmeal lived happily ever after. The end.